I know exactly what your room looks like right now. The chair, yes, that chair, has completely disappeared under a mountain of clothes you aren't even sure are clean or dirty. There are empty cups on your nightstand that are probably starting their own ecosystem. And the mere thought of cleaning gives you more anxiety than a Monday morning. I get it. I am a professional procrastinator too. But today, I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint to go from absolute chaos to a visually acceptable room in exactly 5 minutes. We aren't deep cleaning, we are doing a visual emergency reset before you lose your mind or an unexpected guest shows up. The secret is high-impact zone cleaning, and the clock is already ticking. Minute 1, the epicenter of chaos. Also known as your bed. A room with an unmade bed looks 40% messier than it actually is. You have 60 seconds. Do not change the sheets, that requires way too much adult energy. Just pull up the duvet in one aggressive swoop, fluff the pillows, and line them up. Boom. Magic. Instantly, the biggest visual element in your room is organized. Your brain is incredibly easy to trick. Minute 2, the surface battle. Look at your desk or your nightstand. It's cluttered with tiny objects screaming, disorder. Your mission, immediate evacuation. Grab a box, an empty drawer, or if you are feeling peak lazy, a trash bag. Shove all the loose papers, tangled chargers, and random items inside. The only goal here is clear surfaces. Do not organize the box. You'll deal with it another day, or never, I'm not judging. But right now, seeing a clear tabletop gives you instant peace of mind. Minute 3, the clothes monster. That pile on the chair or the floor. Grab your laundry hamper and just herd everything inside. All of it, no sorting. If some of it is clean, that's a problem for future you. Right now, we just want the floor and furniture to be visible again. It's wild how much the vibe changes when you stop seeing messy textures everywhere. Minute 4, air and trash. Crack that window wide open. We need to banish the smell of stale bedroom and laziness. 60 seconds of fresh air does more heavy lifting than any room spray. While it ventilates, grab any obvious trash, wrappers, empty water bottles, and throw them away. Expert tip, spray a little bit of fabric freshener or cologne on the bed you just made. Your brain instinctively associates that scent with a job well done. Minute 5, the final touch-up. Time to close those open drawers, kick your shoes into a straight line, and run a quick dust wipe over the 2 surfaces you just cleared. 10 seconds per surface. And you're done. Look around. Is it ready for an interior design magazine? Absolutely not. But it no longer looks like a disaster zone. It took 5 minutes of your life, and the lazy guilt is completely gone. At the end of the day, having a clean room isn't about being perfect, it's just a mental health hack. And if you can game the system to do it in 5 minutes, you're not lazy, you're strategically efficient. I left a link in the description to a minimalist countdown timer like the one I used in this video so you can beat the clock too. Subscribe for more survival guides for the chronically lazy, and I'll see you in the next video.